Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Regeln für G. If E G at the end of the word, then we pronounce it ish. Ish. For example, Kyonish. Kyonish means king. Traurish. Traurish means sad. If the word is taken from French language, then we can pronounce it as like English word pleasure. Ja. For example, passage. Passage means passage. Massage means massage. As the pronunciation of gay like English word gum. Ga. Gelb. Gelb means yellow. Glück means luck. Pronunciation of u and gay is ung. Here u and gay at the end we can read it Beverbung. Beverbung. Beverbung means application. That's it.